Pulling data from Power BI is like finding treasure. You need the right tools and a good map. We'll explore methods to extract data, connect to sources, utilize the query editor, and even automate the process. By the end, you'll know how to retrieve data seamlessly, making analytics work for you. No more manual exports and headaches, just smooth and efficient data retrieval. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Data extraction might sound boring, but trust me, it's the backbone of powerful analytics. Imagine running a report without the right data. It's like baking a cake without flour. We'll go over why extraction is crucial, the best tools available, and how to dodge common pitfalls. Stick with me and you'll be pulling data like a pro in no time. Data sources are like ingredients in a recipe. You need to pick the right ones for the best results. Power BI connects to databases, cloud services, and flat files, but not all sources are created equal. We'll explore structured and unstructured data, best practices, and traps to avoid so you don't end up with analytics soup. Connecting to databases and cloud services is the bridge between raw data and valuable insights. Whether you're dealing with SQL servers or cloud-based storage, the right approach ensures security and efficiency. We'll talk about connection setup, security measures, speed optimization, and strategies for handling massive datasets. Stay with me, no tech headaches, just clear solutions. A Power BI query editor is where the magic happens. Think of it as your data kitchen. Here we filter, transform, and clean up data, ensuring you get exactly what you need. We'll go over conditional logic, merging queries, and data integrity so your reports don't turn into a mess. Stick around and let's cook up some high-quality insights. Import vs direct query, it's the age-old Power BI debate. Import mode loads data into memory, while direct query fetches data on demand. We'll explore when to use each, performance trade-offs, and how to optimize for speed and efficiency. Think of it as choosing between instant noodles and a home-cooked meal. Both have their place. DAX functions are the superheroes of data extraction. They make complex calculations look easy. We'll look at basic syntax, commonly used functions, optimization strategies, and debugging techniques. By the end, you'll wield DAX like a data wizard, transforming raw numbers into meaningful insights. Using REST API for data extraction. Sounds fancy, but don't worry, I'll break it down. REST API lets you pull data programmatically, automate tasks, and secure access. We'll go over authentication, data retrieval, and practical use cases. By the end, you'll see why developers love APIs, and you might just become one yourself. Automation is the key to efficiency. Why waste time on manual pulls when Power Automate can do the work for you? We'll walk through setting up workflows, integrating with Power BI, and following automation best practices. By the end, you'll have more time for coffee breaks while your data keeps flowing. Ever tried exporting data and ended up with a file that looks like ancient hieroglyphs? Excel and CSV formats save the day. Power BI lets you export your reports with flexibility, whether summarized or raw data. But wait, there's always a catch. Large datasets can bring limitations, so plan accordingly. Choose wisely and may your spreadsheets be ever in your favor. The Power BI service, your data now available in the cloud anytime, anywhere. No more excuses for missing that crucial report. But licensing does play a role in who gets the VIP access. And let's not forget security, because data leaks are the stuff of nightmares. With the right setup, you'll be accessing datasets like a pro. Python and R bring a sprinkle of magic to Power BI. Want fancy custom visuals? Done. Need automated processes. Easy. Machine learning models. Absolutely. But hold on, performance optimization is key. Otherwise, your calculations might move at the speed of a sleepy snail. Let's make data science work for us, not against us. Imagine a world where your external apps seamlessly talk to Power BI, no more copy-pasting nightmares. APIs make this possible, while embedded analytics take user experience up a notch. Security is key, so OAuth handles authentication like a digital bodyguard. Just remember, data refresh settings are crucial unless you enjoy outdated insights. So here we are at the finish line. We've covered key insights, practical applications, and a little inspiration along the way. The real magic happens when you take these ideas and put them into action, because knowledge without action is just trivia. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and most importantly, stay curious. Remember, even small steps lead to big changes. And on that note, I'll leave you with one last thought. Success is just a series of well-executed lessons. Let's go make it happen. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.